Okay. See, regularly we'll be checking it, but on your own, if you turn on your videos now, our job is easier where I don't have to worry about whether video is on or off. Once in a while, I'll be checking. I can just focus on teaching the class. Okay. Okay. Now, basically, yesterday's evening class, if somebody missed or something, I sent the link. But multiplication of matrices is very easy, not difficult. But yesterday's afternoon class, some people may find it little difficult because to get a specific idea. Somebody has to mute yourself. Yeah. You have to get a specific idea how to write it as product of two matrices. And that too, there's not unique way. There are different people can get different answers. You see, either in IP or mains, you don't find that questions where they'll give a matrix and you have to write it as product of two matrices. But later on in determinant, there are some particular questions it will be useful there. That is the reason I gave those questions. Okay. But in matrices, we don't use it. We'll use it in determinants. Okay. Now, according to IP, whatever is required for multiplication, I told, but we will do some more variety of questions to just understand the concepts a little better. Okay. Your regular class notes only. Please write this. What is today's date? 8th? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Please write just a question. I'm not giving any number. Just a question. Let's say this is A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, H, I. J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R. S, Z, some lambda. Okay, when I'm multiplying these two, I'm getting this. Now,
what is the matrix, please?
Just I wrote all the alphabets in order only. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, like that. I just wrote all the alphabet. Is it okay? The last one I wrote lambda.
So last one is lambda.
Lambda, yes.
Okay, sir.
Which of the following is always true? Five A, 3B, sorry, 5A, 5B, and 5C. D, E, F, G, H, I, and J, K, L, M, and O. 5S, 5T, 5U, VWX, Y, Z, lambda. Somebody is not able to read something, I'll read it for you. As far as possible, try to understand.
So is it 2K or ZK?
Which one you are talking about? Options?
Last B, last matrix that you have written.
Okay. Here STU, VWX,
So in option B.
5S it is. 5S.
Option B.
Option
Sir,
B.
option
Okay.
B.
Okay. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is 2K, 2N, 2Q. 2 only.
So now you tell that which one is true, which one is false.
Yeah, that's all. Just you write the question at the end you have to tell which one is correct, which one is false.
Sir, could you please spotlight your video?
You are not able to pin it?
No.
You know how to pin a video, right?
Yes, no, sir, but I don't think I have that option in tab.
So we need to double click on your video.
Okay, just double click on my video.
Sir, sometimes it's not
Okay.
Sir, I
happening like
think
this.
for tab and phone we cannot pin, sir.
Acha.
So
Okay.
we can.
Okay, I can spotlight it. Only earlier I was not doing it because I want to see all of you, but it's okay. I'll spotlight.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Should we note down the options?
Just a minute. Give me. I'm trying to spot. Okay. Are you able to see now, Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, somebody was asking something. What is that?
Yes, sir. Should we note down the options even?
You should write down options also. Full question you should write.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I want to give few more options, but first of all, here, the whole question is this. In the place of A, you can take any number, 1, 0, 5, variable number also you can take. B, you can take 100,000, any number. All these are real numbers. When you really multiply, you'll get some numbers, you are calling them. If you change any numbers, the corresponding numbers will change. Okay. So that's why which of the following is always true? Okay.
Option A, sir. Option A only, sir.
Option A, sir.
Option A. Okay.
Option
What do you
A, sir.
What do you think about option B and what do you think about option C?
Sir, if option B was to be true, then the right hand side should be S 80 and 27U.
Oh, I wrote something wrong there. Wait. Is it V, I think? Is it because of that you are saying? Okay. What about now? Sorry, this you write V only. By mistake, I wrote something.
Sir, all options can be true, sir.
Okay, that is your option. Okay, let us see. Whatever you feel like you tell, not an issue. Right or wrong, we'll discuss it. What you feel right, you tell me. Okay. Is there more than one other question?
All options can be possible, sir.
Sir, A and B are true and C
A
is
and B
false.
are
I think.
false.
Okay. Who want to say only option A is correct and other two are not correct? Okay, nobody. Who want to say A and B are correct but C is not correct? Just tell your name.
Kasi, sir.
Kasi, you want to say A and B are correct, C is not correct. Anybody else?
Sir, Mukund.
Okay, Mukund Agarwal. Yes, anybody else?
Sir, Shashidhar.
Okay.
Sir, it has
Sir,
All right, fine. Okay.
Omkar, sir.
Okay, all right. Now, anybody want to say all three are correct? A, B, C, all three are
Yes,
correct.
sir. Dheeraj, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dheeraj.
yes, sir.
Venkat, sir.
All right. Okay, fine. Those who said A, B are correct, C is wrong. Anybody want to give an explanation why C is wrong?
Sir, actually, we'll take first B, and if you multiply ABC with the first column of the second matrix,
Yes.
we'll get the same SVY. But if we take the second row and multiply the second column of the second matrix, we'll not get the second column of the final matrix, sir. Because like we take like they gave in the first main condition, when we can S is equals to AJ plus BM plus CP.
Yes, correct.
We cannot take this second option as correct answer.
Yes, you are right. Okay. See, actually, what is happening here is the main point. You know how to multiply two matrices. You take first row into first column, that is this. First row into second column, that is this. First row into third column, that is this. Second row into first column, that is this. Second row into second column, that is this. So, what is playing the role in those answers is the rows here are playing a role and the columns here are playing a role. Okay. If you do any change with the rows here, it will affect the same way here. For example, when I multiplied with 5, before I multiplied with 5, what is my S? A into J, B into M, and C into P. Now, when I multiply these two, what will happen? 5AJ. Here AJ, but here 5AJ. Here BM and here 5BM. Here CP and here 5CP. You can see the S, which is usually AJ plus BM plus CP. This also became 5 times. This became 5 times. This became 10 times. So the whole thing became 5 times. That's why I could write 5S. Okay. Similarly, first one is second one. Everything will become 5 times because of this. Again, I got here, I got here. Other rows, no problem. This into this is same as this into this, no change in the answers. That's why only these three elements got multiplied with 5. Okay. Option A is correct. Anybody has any objection to that now?
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
No, sir.
Option B is also correct. You look at this first row into the second column. Okay. And later on, second row into second column, third row into second column. I want to take this into this, this into this, this into this. Earlier, when I take this into this, that is first row into second column, it is AK, BN plus CQ. But now because of this, it will be 2 AK here, 2 BN and 2 CQ. So everything became double. That's why it became 2P. When you take this into this, you can see there is 2 everywhere. Okay, when you take this into this, there is 2 everywhere. So that's how we got 2's there. So when you do anything with columns here, answer will change the same way. You do anything with rows here, answer will change the same way. Here second column I multiplied with 2, so here also I have to multiply with 2 from here to here. Here third column I multiplied with 3, so here also I have to multiply with 3. Anybody has any objection to the second one? Option B is correct. Anybody want to object to that?
No, sir.
No,
Option B is correct.
Sakshi, you are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Muni, your name is Muni, right?
Yes, sir.
You are clear about how option B is right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The problem with option C is, let us take the very first element, that is this one and this one. Earlier it was AJ, BM, CP. If you multiply all of them with 5, all of them with 3, not a problem. But in this, what is happening? You are getting 7 AJ. You are getting 7 here. But BM as it is and CP as it is. So only one part of that is multiplied with 7. So it will be completely different answer. It cannot be 7S. It can't be S. It can't be 7S. It is something else because it is sum of 3 things, but only one of them is multiplied by 7. So that's why this is not right. So then one may say, what is the correct option should be here? We cannot say, it depends on the numbers. It is definitely not in terms of the given numbers. It is some new numbers. Okay, that's why this is not always true. It may happen for particular numbers. You do anything with columns here, your answer will completely change. Okay, not little bit, it will completely change. Not a single element will come same as the original one. Everything will be different. You take this into this, not same as this into this or a multiple. So that's why option C is not right. Is everybody clear about that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So just
Sir,
you can
so, sir, in first matrix, we should never change the column, sir, to
yes,
get
you should,
an
yeah. You should not fiddle with columns here. You should not fiddle with rows here. Okay.
Oh.
You can do anything with rows here and affect the same way. You can do anything columns here. This will affect the same.
Okay, sir, understood.
See, even though we know multiplication of matrices, but I'm sure this question gave you a better understanding of what is multiplication of matrices or in detail. Am I correct?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Even yesterday's evening class also gave a little better idea about multiplication of matrices when we try to read the other. Okay, just to say these two are correct, these two are wrong. That's all. You don't have to write any explanation, but if you want, you can write whenever AB is equal to C, any row operation of A will affect C. Maybe I can give some notes. Or maybe after this question is over, I'll try to give like in the form of notes. Okay. I want to give some more options here. Anytime if somebody is facing any problem, please feel free to express. Like somebody said they could not be able to pin it. Oh no, we'll try to find a solution. Like we're able to spotlight it. Okay, something like that, or any other issue you are facing, like body is not clear, my voice is not clear, something. Please tell us. We can try to sort it out. Okay, just try to copy these two options and see whether they are correct or wrong.
Sir, option D is wrong and option E is correct.
D is wrong. So option E is correct.
Okay.
Sir, sorry, sir. E is like E. I
Option
think
D.
it's not. I don't know about E, sir, but D is correct. D is not correct, sir.
D is not correct. Okay.
Sir, E is also correct.
Okay.
E is true. D is false.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
For the eighth option, third column in the answer one, is it U or V?
In which one, D or E?
E, sir.
In E, this is Y and this is U. This I have these two different. I want to let me also check what is this. What I wanted
That
to
one is
write.
V and it's third row is V. Up one is U.
This one is V. Okay.
Yes, sir. V.
This is V. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Somebody already copied. Please. Even here something is V. I should correct. Huh? This is V. Okay.
Sir, F option is correct.
Yes, sir. Office card.
I need to write the original matrix before that. There's a question only. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. S, T, S, Y, J, lambda. Okay, so I want to write here 5V, 5W, 5 first of all. Next, I want to write here 2S. This is 10, 2, 1. And D, U, Z, lambda. What about interchanging this? I want to write here.
Sir,
2, 1.
Sir, option G is
Understand. 2S.
option G is correct, sir.
Okay.
Option F is wrong.
Oh, sorry, I unnecessarily raised the question. It's okay. Even though we are taking some time, for some people it may be a little confusing also. But as you spend time, it will be more clarity.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, can you read the G Roman third matrix?
G third matrix, I should read it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Is it 2y lambda z 10v 5w 5x, and this is 2s 2u and 2t. I should not write 2 here, only u and t, sorry. Okay, simply write u and t. Yeah. So 2y lambda z 10v 5w 5x 2s ut. Okay, so this was our original question. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, lambda. Okay, right? This will be just wrote 26 alphabets in order, and 9 3s are 27. We wanted one more, so we just took lambda. Okay, now coming to D bit, as I said already, anything with rows here you are allowed to do it. It will affect the same way. Anything with columns here you can do it. It will affect the same way. But here we have done something with the rows. Definitely it is not right, because you can see when you take this product, you are getting 10 AJ BM plus CP. So BM is not multiplied with 10, CP is not multiplied with 10, but AJ is multiplied with 10 compared to this product. Here AJ plus BM plus CP. So it is 10s is not correct, it's something different. So if you do anything with columns, each and every element will completely change. Not a single one will remain as it is. Because this into this, part of it changed. This into this, part of it changed out of the three things. This into this, every one of them. So that's why D is not correct. All of you agree with this D, this one, not correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody want to tell, compared to our original question, in E bit, what is that I have done?
Sir,
You have just interchanged
Second and third row.
Yeah, I just interchange second and third row. No change in the second matrix. And here also interchange second and third row. Do you think it's correct?
Correct.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
As
sir.
we can make changes in the first matrix or in rows.
Yeah,
So-
you can make anything in first matrix with the rows. Okay, so you can actually let us verify it. Earlier here V came, right? What is that V that is here? Earlier, what is this V? Is the second row, second column. This into this. Okay. And earlier, what is this Y? Third row into second, sorry, not this column. Second row into first column, third row into first column. Okay. Let us take this. Okay. So this into this is here, this into this is here. Now when I change this one here, this into this will come, should come here. This into this should come down. So you can even, if you want, you can see from here what is V and what is Y. What is V is second row into first column. DJ plus EM plus FP. And what is Y? Third row into first column, which is GJ plus HM plus IP. Right. Okay. Now you can see this into this, GJ plus HM into IP is actually Y. That's why I got Y. And this into this, DJ plus EM plus FP, which is actually V. So you can understand this product came here and this product came up. That's how these two got interchanged. Similarly, these two, similarly, these two. So you don't have to write the details actually. If you understand when I interchange two rows, the products are coming same, but what should come here is coming here, what should come here is coming here. That's why they got interchanged. Is it okay for E, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Himabindu, you're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bhavani, Jishnu, you're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cooper, tell me what I have done in F compared to the original question. Compared to the original question in F, what kind of transformation I have done?
So you have changed the second matrix.
In what way?
1 minute, sir. So the third column, sir, you made it come to the first column, sir. And
Yes.
the first column, you made it come to the third column, sir. Like you interchanged the columns.
Yes, it's correct. So basically, I interchanged column 1 and column 3. That's how here also the interchange of column 1, column 3 compared to this. That's why this SVY went. Sometimes you and V I'm writing a like, so I should change it. Sorry. Please write V here. Okay. So SVY went there and UX lambda came here. Okay. So you can do anything with the second column. Answer also will affect the same way. That's what basically. This came here and this came here. So similarly, this came here and this came here. See, Hemant, you are able to follow how F is correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, and I think G is also correct.
What? I could not hear clearly. Can you speak once again?
I think G is also correct.
You think G is also correct? Okay.
Sir, G is wrong.
G is
Wrong.
definitely
Huh?
wrong.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Wrong.
Okay. Let us
G
see.
is,
Sir,
sir,
G is
G
correct.
is correct only, sir.
So G is correct.
G is
Okay.
correct, sir.
Actually, G is one question. I try to include whatever we learned till now. Okay.
G is correct, sir.
G is correct, sir.
Okay. Let us see. What are the different things that I have done in G? From original question to this, I multiplied second row with 5. So here also second row is multiplied with 5. Yeah, they are saying
in the
I understand.
first matrix,
Yeah,
we
I
have
think
introduced the row.
this X and W I should interchange. Is that you are talking about?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think now it is correct. You can change it. Okay. Basically, I don't want to give a wrong option here. I wanted to give a correct option, but I want to tell you how it came. Okay. So before writing this answer, I have to do some things in between. What is that? Because I multiplied row with 5, Here also I multiply with 5. So let me write only that part. Let me
So
take
G
the
option
original.
is correct only, no, sir?
Yeah, now it is correct. I interchange this X and W. Now it is correct. What
Okay.
is this? STU VWX YZ lambda. Is this the original matrix? Yes. Okay. Okay, this is our original answer. Please mute yourself, whoever got unmuted. Okay. Because I multiplied this row with 5, definitely I have to multiply this row with 5. Because I multiplied this column with 2, I have to multiply 2 here and I have to multiply 2 here, it becomes 10 and this is 2. Okay. Next, because I interchanged which one here? First and third row, this will come up here, this will come up here. That's how I will get here YZ lambda and here STU. And then here I interchange these two columns also. So I have to interchange these two. That's why lambda here, Z here, X here, W here, U here, T here. Okay, that's how we got that. Okay. If you have a doubt, let us check what is happening. If you multiply these two, you can see GJ with a 2, HM with a 2, IP with a 2. So we are getting a 2 here. This into this and this into this is fine. You can see this into this, we are getting 10, 10, 10. That's how we got 10. This into this, we got 5 everywhere. And this into this, we got 5 everywhere. This into this 2 here, this into this, and this into this. You can also see the corresponding elements if you really multiply. I don't want to write big expressions. What is S equal to in terms of this? What is T equal to? But if you understand theoretically, any kind of row change we have done here, it affects the same way. Any kind of column. So we have done 4 things. Multiplied second row with 5. First column with 2 here. Interchange these 2 rows. Interchange these 2 columns. That is this final answer. I think this covers all whatever we discussed till now. Okay. Okay. If somebody is not fully clear, you write. Yes, please. Yes.
Is this IP part or mains part?
Neither it is there in our IP textbook, nor in the mains material, nor in the advanced material. If I wanted, I'll write a question, get typed and put it in our recent advanced material. But this clarifies the concept, and any part of this can be asked in any one of the exams, not in IP. It is not there in IP. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, you gave homework from mains material, no, sir?
Yes, even numbers up to 20, yes.
Even numbers up to 20, sir? Yes, sir. That's what I wanted to know. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you tell the page number also, sir?
In the mains material where it is?
Yes, sir.
I think only maths and determinants separately one PDF I sent mains material. You can easily see in that, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And if you take the full book, whatever the 300 pages or something, index is there. You can see based on the index also, you can see where.
23 page number problems are starting with this.
Okay. So first 20 pages, some theory is there. 23, third page, the problems are started. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
In the evening session, we are discussing few questions based on mains material, no, sir. Have we to note down those questions in our CW or in that book regarding mains?
Whatever I teach in the class, you have to write in class notes only. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
I may discuss odd numbers from the mains material. Later on, I may discuss something from advanced material. I may give my own few questions. Everything. Okay, everything you have to write in class notes. Is it all right?
Okay, sir.
Sir, so basically regarding the questions you have done just now, so if we make any changes to any row of the first matrix or any column of the second matrix, it affects the product.
Yes, exactly. You are right. You got the point.
Yes.
Okay, so I will give whatever I told till now in a simple things like this. Till now we multiplied 2, I'll give something about 3. Let us say A, B, C is equal to D. Okay. If you do anything with rows here, it will affect the same way. If you do anything with columns in C, it will affect the same way. If you change B, either rows or columns, answer will completely change. So I have done for 2 things, but I want to give a notes for 3 things. All right. Okay, let me give both together. That's best. Okay. You take A. Yes, please.
Sir, you give ABC right now, sir. So for
no, I'll not give any. Yeah, if I give ABC, if you do anything with rows here, there is a problem. If you do anything with columns here, there is a problem. I'll tell you what it is.
Yes, sir.
ABC, I can write it as AB into C, or I can write A into BC, right? If I do anything with rows, this answer will change or not?
Yes, sir.
No. Here answer will not change, but here answer will change. Am I correct?
Sir, you
Yes,
said
sir.
rows.
Yeah.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, normal multiplication properties do not apply to matrices.
Matrices.
A, B,
Yes,
and B is
B are not equal. AB and B are not
associative
equal.
property is not
Yeah,
cannot be seen.
yeah.
No, sir. So
That means very rarely you can get AB equal to BA, but in general AB is not equal to BA.
Okay, sir. So then here also AB into C is not equal to A into BC, no, sir?
No, this is not commutative law. This is associative law. When you say commutative, you have to bring C here. Yeah, it is not equal to this one, but this is right. Don't change the order. Or A is first, B is next, C is next. Whether you multiply these two first or these two first, that's not a problem. This is associative.
So associative law is applicable for matrix.
Applicable. Only commutative law is not applicable for matrix multiplication. Everything else is there.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Yeah, so I want to give like this. Let us take A into B equal to C. Let us take A into some other matrix D in between into B equal to C. Okay. Let it take like this. For both of them, okay. Any change in rows of A will affect C in the same way. You can just put a note or something you can try. Any change in columns of A will completely change the product. Any change in columns of B will affect C in the same way. And any change in rows of B will completely change the product. Next, any change in rows or columns of D. Any change in the rows or columns of D will completely change product AD. Okay. So only the first matrix and last matrix. Even if I have, let us say, 100 things, let us say I'll write A in between some D, some E, some F, then B equal to C. Only row here will affect the same way. Row here will, column here will affect the same way. D, E, F, any one of them you change anything, answer will completely change. See, whatever we discussed today in the class so far, in IP you don't have any such questions based on this. Even in mains also, we don't have so much. We may use it in 1 or 2 questions rarely. But in advanced, they can be. Okay. So even though multiplication of matrix is same, how you ask the question, it is whatever we done is like in more depth about what is multiplication of. Anybody does not want me to read some sentence here? I can read it for you. Any change in rows of A will affect C in the same way. Any change in columns of A will completely change the product. Any change in columns of B will affect C in the same way. Any change in rows of B will completely change the product. Any change in rows or columns of B will completely change the product AB.
Done, sir.
Okay. So I want to erase this. Anybody else need more time?
Sir, once repeat the 5th point.
Any change in rows or columns of D will completely change the product ADB.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, all those points were referring to the equations you wrote above, sir?
Yes, correct. All these 5 refers to that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one is a question. If BA is equal to 2AB, then find LMN, where first one, AB whole square is equal to L into A square B square. Second one, AB whole cube is equal to LMN B, I should write it. AB whole cube is M into A cube B cube. And the third one, AB whole power 10 is equal to N into A power 10 into B power 10. Okay, this itself is a question that can come in the exam. Apart from that, it also gives you a clarity that don't think in matrices AB whole square equal to A square into B square. It is not necessary. It is only correct if AB equal to BA, otherwise it is not. So that is why I choose 2 matrices such that B into A is 2 times A into B. I can easily write matrices satisfying this data. Now coming to the first one, AB whole square by definition, it is AB into AB. Please mute yourself. Somebody got unmuted here. AB whole square is AB into AB. According to associative law, without changing the order, you can write A, BA, and B. Now, in the place of BA, I cannot write AB, but I can write 2AB. So it becomes A into 2AB into B. So that is 2. I can take it outside. It will become 2 into A square B square. So L is 2 here. And you compare with this. Why don't you similarly try this and tell me what is M value?
Sir, L is 3. L is 2 and M is 3.
M is also 2.
M is 3.
I don't think. Check carefully. Try to write, you will understand what is the problem.
Sir, M is 4.
No.
Sir, M is 3.
No, I think 3 doesn't have a role here. Because anywhere you find
Sir,
B.
M is 4.
Okay, let us see. So try to write it, it will get more clarity. Then we try to write solution.
One doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, here in first problem, AB into AB, you wrote A, you took out A and B, then how did you get BA, sir?
I'll tell you. Without changing the order, I multiplied these two. But if you want to know how I changed it, first of all, I can remove this bracket or this bracket, right? I can write A into B into AB. Or I can write AB into, that is, I put this in the bracket and this you remove it. Okay. Either way is okay. Now, I can't associate tool. I can multiply these two first or these two first. I can put a bracket like this. Or I can put a bracket like this. And within this, in the next step, I can write A and then BA first and then B.
Understood.
Right?
Understood.
So the answer for second one is 8. M is equals to 8.
M is equals to 8, sir.
Yes, answer is 8 here. Whoever said 8, it's correct. Okay. I think you can simply say because you are using BA equal to 2AB 3 times in the process of writing. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. If somebody is able to tell for AB whole part and directly, it's okay. If you want to get a better idea, you want to try for AB whole power 4 also, I don't mind. If you want, I can even write that question also.
So once till second.
I'll tell second one, I'm going to write solution, but anyway, I'll just. You already wrote a question, it's okay, but I'm just adding one more question.
So the n square minus 1 like that will come, sir?
Yeah. You are right. Somewhat.
I think.
Yeah, something like that. So AB whole cube means it is AB into AB into AB. Okay, you cannot change, you can multiply these two first or these two first, up to you, but you cannot reverse any one of them. All right. So I want to keep A as it is. In between some steps, I'm skipping it, but the proper associative law, if I use it, this will be BA. Another BA here, another B here. Now, this BA, if I want to write AB, I have to write 2AB. This BA, if I want to write 2A. This is okay. Now I got A square and this two out, this two out. I got 4 A square, BA, and B square. This is one B square, this is one A square, and here one still BA is there. That BA I want to write A. So 4 into A square and 2AB and B square.
So the board was not clear.
What about others? Is the board clear to you?
Sir, it is clear, sir.
Yes,
Clear.
It's okay. So maybe sometimes for a few moments your network may be down, may appear like that. Okay.
So could you explain again?
Yeah. See, yesterday also I said this. When I take ABCD product, there are many ways to write ABCD product. Somebody can write AB like this, CD like this. Order is same. Somebody can write A, next BC, next this product, next D on the right side. Somebody can write A, BC, and D, this product and this product. All these are same as this. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the order is same. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. But which two you are multiplying first? Here I multiplied these two. Here I multiplied these two, and then multiplied A from the left. Here from D from the right. The same way, AB cube means you don't need all these brackets. You simply want to write. You write AB into AB into AB. Not an issue. Okay. Now I am multiplying these two and these two. That is this step. I did not change the order. Just this A is there, this B and this B.
Sir, n equals to 32. Sir, how 4A square BA?
I'll tell that 1 minute. This BA I wrote 2AB. This BA I wrote 2AB. From here to here, what happened? I'll tell you. These two and these two both came out. That is 2 square 4. This A into this A, in between number only, you can take it out. A into A is A square. Here B into B, B square. So this BA is that what is here. Is it okay now? Somebody asked.
Yes, sir.
So far up to here, anybody any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, only that step, sir. That last one. Like A into 2AB into 2AB into B.
That's from here to here. Oh, in the question it is given to us. What can BA be replaced with?
2AB, sir.
That's how this BA became 2AB. That's how this
So
BA
she is
became
asking
2AB.
that how 4A square BA.
Yeah, 4 from here to next step. All right. See, if I have 7A into 3B into 2C, can I multiply all these numbers? 7 into 3 into 2 and then ABC. I can write that, right?
Yes.
Okay. In the same way, this is just a number. This is just a number. Completely take it out. 2 into 2 is 4. Okay. Maybe I'll write in between one step. We may be better at that.
Sir, answer for AB to the power of 4 is 64.
64.
64. Yeah, 64. You're right. Okay, I'll write in between one step. 4 A into AB into AB into B. The next step 4 A into A square. Next BA, next B into B square. Is it okay now for you?
Yes.
Yeah. Anybody has any doubt? You don't have to tell after class is over, sir, I have not understood this. You can tell that also, I don't mind. But anything is there right now in the class, only just finish it. If you have doubt, just immediately ask. I can give maybe, I think one more step which I skipped. If I write it, it may become clear, or I can give a different explanation.
Sir, is there any shortcut for this process, sir?
Sir, one doubt, sir.
You will understand the shortcut if you do this power 4, and then if I give power 10 or 100 or 1000, you can tell answer just like that. If you understand if you do AB power 4, you'll get a better clarity. Yes, please. Somebody is saying something.
I'm not able to find the relationship. First one got 2, second one 8, third one is I'm getting 64.
Yeah. Now you see, I'll tell you what is happening. Here, how many times BA equal to 2AB you wrote in the first step here? From here to here. 2 times.
2 times. Sir.
And
2 times.
In the next step, once. Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I have not yet written solution for this, but you wrote it. Tell me in your first attempt, how many times you use this formula?
1, 2, 3, 4.
3 times, sir.
3 times.
3 times. In the second attempt of that further solution of that, how many times you use this formula?
2 times.
2 times. And in the last go of that, how many times you use that formula?
1 time.
1 time. 2
1
to 6 times.
Yeah. So first step you got 2 cube common. The next step you got 2 square common. In the next step 2 common. Okay. I think now
So
you got
then
a
for 10th one, AB to the power of 10, we'll get 26 times we'll use the AB one.
Not about 26. Tell me in the first step of this solution, how many times 2 is going to come common?
9 times.
Later on?
8.
Later on? Okay. Later on 7 times. So I think it is sum of first 9 natural numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
45, sir.
45.
So n is 2 power 40. You're right.
So n minus 1 factorial, sir.
It's not a factorial. It is n minus 1 into n by 2. Sum of n minus 1 natural numbers, whatever is the formula for that in progressions, right?
Sir, once repeat, sir. What you said about the difference?
2 power sum of n minus 1 natural numbers.
Okay, sir.
Can you do the third bit?
Yeah, I'm going to do third. Just somebody is explaining some further. I will definitely write third.
Sir, this problem is from advanced material.
In our advanced material, some problem like that should be there. I don't remember whether I gave it or not. Okay. But yes, I want to see that what happens is, as I said, the syllabus for intermediate, mains and advanced all are same. Okay. The level of question that they can ask can change. For example, this I don't think it is very in intermediate, but it is also about multiplication of matrices only. But they can ask this question in advanced stage. Okay, the level can change. And you can also see this question is easier. It can ask in mains. This question is easier, can be asked in main. This question can be asked in advanced, where it is not just you know how to do it, you should be able to find the pattern. So the level can change. That's the only thing.
Sir,
okay.
Fourth one n equals to 512, sir.
Which one?
Fourth bit, sir. And equals to 512.
No, it is not 2 power 9, man. It's 2 power 45.
Sir, third one, sir. He's telling third
Okay,
one.
okay. This n and this is p, let us say. Yeah, here it is 2 power 6. 2 power 6 is 64 only, right?
Yes, sir, 64.
Okay, I'm arranging these two. Anybody needs more time to copy this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Oh, I did not see the time. Okay, somebody remind me about the time. Okay, so tomorrow in the evening class, yeah, we can discuss both of them in the evening. I don't want to extend it, and I have another class also. You also have another class. Okay, I'm ending now. I'll continue in the evening. Thank you. So,